Hi, I'm Tom Pache, Product Manager for Interactive Displays at Epson America. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the Epson BrightLink 700 series, Epson's latest line of award-winning interactive displays. I'll be working with the BrightLink 735 Fi. Though this is one of our newest displays, keep in mind that all the things you see today can be done on all of our BrightLink laser displays. All BrightLink interactive displays include a PC-free whiteboard. So all you have to do is turn it on. Once the display comes on, we're going to select the built-in whiteboard. From there, I can select the pen tools. I can select the color and the line thickness. Our BrightLink laser displays range in brightness from 3600 to 5000 lumens, making them ideal for classrooms with virtually any ambient light conditions. The BrightLink 735 display produces bright images up to 110 inches diagonal. That is 75% larger than you would get with a standard 75-inch flat panel display. This means rather than having your Windows PC tethered to the display, you can attach your PC via Miracast and still have the ability to interact with your PC content wirelessly. This allows you to move more freely about the classroom. And connecting is easy. I come over to the whiteboard. I'm going to select screen mirroring, and then I'm going to come over to my PC. Simply left-click on the dialog box shown at the bottom right side of your Windows display. Select Project, select Duplicate to have your BrightLink display mirror your PC screen. Then select Find a wireless display to discover the projector. Once you see the projector, click on it and select Allow Mouse, Keyboard, Pen, and Touch from this device. This will allow you to use your interactive stylus wirelessly with the BrightLink. I'm now connected to the display. So all I have to do, come over to my Home button and select Screen Mirroring. And now I'm connected wirelessly to the display. If you have the optional touch module installed, you can use your fingertips to control the PC and annotate. Here's how it works. I simply select the mouse button at the bottom of the screen, and now I can pan through my content that's on the screen. I also have the ability to expand the image, reduce the image, and I can use my pen tools, my annotation tools, to highlight any content that I would want to show. So here I'm going to select the highlighter tool and the pen, and then I can highlight any content that I want to there. In a similar way, I can select the pen tool, and I'll go with the blue pen and select my line thickness. And here, if I just want to draw on the screen, I can do so as well. In a similar way, I can also connect my cell phone to the BrightLink display by changing my source to LAN. I do this by selecting the Home button on the screen, and then I connect the LAN. Here I see some on-screen instructions, which I will follow to connect using the Epson Eye Projection app, a free downloadable app. Once I've connected, I can use Eye Projection to show photos, documents, and web content. Here I have some photos that I've stored on my phone, and I can scroll through them and display them for everyone to see. I can also switch to a live camera to show live content. I can actually freeze the content if I want to, and using the built-in pen tools on Eye Projection, I can use them to draw on the image. Another new feature of the BrightLink line is the built-in split screen with whiteboarding function. This allows educators to display from a connected device such as a PC, document camera, or Apple TV while simultaneously displaying a digital whiteboard. This is great when you wish to make notes regarding displayed content. For example, I can queue up this video about nature. I can maximize the screen and be showing the video. I can come over and click on the whiteboard And now I've opened up a whiteboard where I can reference the things that are being found in the nature video. For example, what kind of animals can be found out in the wild? Birds, snakes, alligators. Now, while I have my split screen open, I can grab the handle and maximize the video. Again, if I want to go back to my whiteboard, I click on the whiteboard, and here's my whiteboard again. And then if I want to maximize my whiteboard, I can do so by sliding all the way to the right. Additionally, BrightLink comes with our free, easy-to-use software, Easy Interactive Tools. This Windows-based software applet makes it easy to create, use, and save lessons that can be installed on as many computers as you like with no licensing fees or renewals. So let's get started. I come over to the whiteboard, I select the home screen, bring up my PC, select the whiteboard, and then I can open a file. Once you've opened the file, you can use pens, the mouse features to draw, erase, insert images, create games, and captivate young learners. It's as simple as that. So why BrightLink interactive displays? BrightLink features a virtually maintenance-free, solid-state laser light source you can count on day in and day out. A large, easy-to-read display up to 100 inches, 16 by 9, or ultra-wide 16 by 6 display up to 110 inches for the lowest cost per square inch interactive displays. This ultra-wide image is ideal for using the built-in split screen and whiteboarding feature. Built-in wireless and Miracast support at no extra charge for easy wireless display with interactivity. PC-free whiteboarding for creating lessons on the fly and easily saving, printing, and emailing lessons directly from the network projector. Epson is the #1 projector brand worldwide. Epson has been a trusted partner in the classroom for 25 years. More than 10 million students learn on our displays every day. And finally, the Epson Brighter Futures program, created exclusively for educators. Under Brighter Futures, you will receive special pricing, extended warranties, and have a dedicated end user and channel sales team to support you from start to finish. Thanks for joining us today and your interest in Epson BrightLink 700 series interactive displays.